Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is Wednesday and it's Wisdom Day. So the topic which I have selected for today, that is the power of gratitude. How being thankful can change your life. Every day we rush through life, waking up, checking our phones, hurrying to work, chasing goals, but in this race, we often forget to pause and simply say, Thank you. Gratitude is more than just good manners. It's a life changing mindset. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have. And this shift can change everything. Today we will explore how being thankful can literally rewire your brain, boost your mental health, strengthen relationships, and even improve your physical well being. Let's dive into the power of gratitude. Gratitude means appreciating what you already have. It's recognizing the small and big blessings around you. It can be the morning sunlight, a loving family, a warm meal, or even the fact that you are alive and breathing. Gratitude isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about seeing the good even when life is tough. Gratitude changes your brain. Scientific research shows that gratitude changes your brain chemistry. When you feel thankful, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel good hormones. This creates a natural sense of happiness and peace. Practicing gratitude regularly activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain linked to decision making, empathy, and positive thinking. In short, the more thankful you are, the more your brain learns to focus on joy instead of stress. Gratitude improves mental health. People who practice gratitude feel less anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Why? Because when you're grateful, your mind stops obsessing over what's wrong. It's like training your mind to see light instead of darkness. Gratitude builds emotional resilience. It helps you bounce back from tough times. In fact, therapists often use gratitude journaling as a healing tool for patients battling depression. Gratitude strengthens relationships. Saying thank you might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to build trust and love. When you appreciate your partner, friend, or co partner, they feel valued. And people who feel valued give more love in return. Gratitude is like a mirror. Reflect it and it multiplies. It creates deeper, stronger connections in your personal and social life. Physical health benefits. Surprisingly, gratitude also improves your physical health. Studies show that grateful people sleep better, have stronger immune systems, and experience less pain. They are more likely to eat healthy, exercise regularly, and avoid harmful habits. Why? Because a grateful mind creates a peaceful body. Gratitude habits. So, how do you make gratitude part of your life? Here are some simple habits. Keep a gratitude journal. Write 3 things you are thankful for every night. Say thank you to people, to nature, to yourself. Meditate on your blessings, even for 5 minutes a day. Replace complaints with appreciation. Start your day by saying, "Today I choose to be thankful." Real life example. Let's take an example. A man lost his job during a crisis. He had two options: complain or focus on what he still had: health, family, and skills. He chose gratitude instead of giving up. He used this time to reconnect with his passions. Eventually, he started a small online business and found more happiness than ever before. Gratitude didn't remove the struggle, it gave him the strength to rise through it. Conclusion. Gratitude isn't a magic trick, it's a way of living. If you want to change your life, start with thank you. Say it every day, feel it deeply, and watch how your world begins to glow. Because in the end, the happiest people aren't those who have everything, but those who are thankful for everything they have. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Jazakallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.